I'm Kristen Mclaughlin, and I can be your trusted realtor. Two things I remember from growing up is I was always empathetic because I was always in tune with other people's feelings. To this day, I have some friends that I've known since I was a little girl. I'm also part of a super large family, and we're all very close. My dad was a business owner, and one of my favorite things to do with him when I was a kid is he would let me skip school, don't tell my mom, and he would take me to work with him, and I loved it. I was 9 years old, and I got to spend the day with my dad, and I loved every second of it. I also remember my dad showed me that hard work is a form of personal pride. When shopping for a home, how this looks for my clients is I feel your concerns and I address those immediately. I'm available at a moment's notice. I even get my hands dirty when I have to. I will always follow through on what I say I will do. I'm compassionate towards you, but competitive with the other agents. I'm tenacious in every step of this process, from the time we start identifying the types of home you want until I get to hand you those keys and say, welcome home. Life is challenging. Buying a home shouldn't be. My name is Kristen Mclaughlin, and I want to deliver you the keys to your new home.